Hey guys, going to do a little quick short of my personal favorite, one of one Bruce Lee box. These are all one of ones. Nearly impossible to get. And when you pay a pretty penny for them, but there's a reason why. They're epic. And I got a lot of them. I enjoy the Bruce Lee edition. And I'm a hoarder of Bruce Lee. So you won't see Bruce Lee stuff like anywhere else but here. And not ashamed of it. I hope to be chatting with Bruce Lee's first female student tomorrow. I purchased a autographed photo, and it was of her. She owned it, Sue, and I hope to be talking with her and her family tomorrow about it. So on the eve of that, I'm gonna rip some Bruce Lee stuff in honor. Can't imagine being the first female Bruce Lee student ever. Must have been a crazy, crazy time. Alright, here we go. And, oh, yes. Look at that beautiful card. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Is that the Chinese connection? Look at that. Mr. Fury? I'll have to look that up. Look at that beautiful card. Gold, one of one. Oh, exceptional. Look at that. That is wicked awesome. Alright guys. Like, share, comment, check out my other videos. These one of ones are spectacular. That's a beautiful card. And a great human being he was. Alright guys. Well, till we meet again, I hope you thrive.